Hello everyone and guys, welcome to the Recall, Revise and Rise series of your current phase preparation for rising your preparation and helping you to revise the important things for your upcoming RBI Grade P and NABARD Grade A 2026 examination. This is day 37 of your government schemes revision, and let's begin with the session. Let's look at the homework question from day 36. That is with reference to the guarantee fee under the credit guarantee scheme for microfinance institutions. Consider the following statement. The guarantee fee is fixed at 0.5% per annum. In the first year, the fee is charged on the sanctioned amount, and after the first year, the fee is charged on the outstanding amount. Now, which of the given statement is or are correct? And guys, the answer for that is option number D, as all of the given statements are correct here. Now, let's talk about the scheme for the day. That is again a credit guarantee scheme. That is Credit Guarantee Fund Trust for Micro Small Enterprises. And here is the question. With reference to the Credit Guarantee Fund Trust for Micro and Small Enterprises, consider the following statement. CGT MSE was launched in the year 2000 under the Ministry of MSME. The corpus of CGT MSE is contributed by Government of India and it being the ratio of 1:4. And then the scheme aims to provide collateral free credit to MSEs through member lending institutions. So which of the given statement above is or are correct? You have to let me know in the answer. 1 and 3, 2 and 3, 1 only, 1, 2 and 3 and none of the above. So guys, the answer for that is option number A, 1 and 3, because it is written vice versa. It is actually 4:1, not 1:4. तो ये याद रखना है. अगला क्वेश्चन है जी, with reference to the coverage and eligibility under the Credit Guarantee Fund Trust for Micro Small Enterprises, consider the following statement. Credit facility up to ₹5 crore per eligible borrowers are covered under the scheme. Agriculture and self-help groups are eligible activities under the scheme, and both fund-based and non-fund-based credit facilities are covered. You have to let me know which of the given statement is or are इनकरेक्ट है. सो द क्वेश्चन इज सेइंग इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट, और यहाँ पे दोस्तों ऑप्शन सी आंसर बन जाएगा. सिर्फ सेकंड स्टेटमेंट गलत है. रीजन बिंग दैट बिकॉज ये स्कीम माइक्रो स्मॉल एंटरप्राइजेस के लिए, तो यहाँ पे एग्रीकल्चर सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप्स पार्ट नहीं है. फिर आ जाता है जी आज का होमवर्क क्वेश्चन. दैट इज विद रेफरेंस टू द गारंटी कवरेज एंड ऑपरेशनल फीचर्स ऑफ द सीजीटी एमएससी स्कीम. कंसीडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट. मैक्सिमम गारंटी कवरेज फॉर माइक्रो एंटरप्राइजेस फॉर लोन अप टू ₹5 lakh is 85%. Guarantee cover tenure under the scheme is generally up to 5 years, and legal proceedings are mandatory for settlement of claims for loan up to ₹10 lakh. Now, which of the given statement is or are correct? You have to let me know in the comment section. 1 and 2 only, 2 and 3, 1 only, 1, 2 and 3, and none of the above. So, thank you for watching this video, guys, and for more such videos, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel. All the best, guys.